Welcome to Face Recognition Attendance System.
So the program does load now. So let's take attendance. Now I have to face my face to the camera very well. Then now, I click on it. Then I need to face the face of the camera to detect you now. Attendance taken, let's record it. Attendance taken, let's record it. Take on attendance again. You see me? No, it's able to detect me because I'm the only enrolled user here. Let's check user list of. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to run my face recognition attendance system. First you need to go to my GitHub account, then you click on download. When you click on download, you download a zip file, or you can use this alternative link to download the full project with VM, which is a virtual environment, full project which is around 80 something megabyte. Then, but if you download through GitHub, you will need to install the requirement. You need to install the VM, and to install the VM, you need to pass through this. You need to follow this installation guide. Now you got it. So let's go download the full project. All you need to just click on this place while it loads. As it loads, then you click on download here. You can click on download anyway, and when you click on download, it will download on your PC. So it's already here, downloaded on the PC. It's already here. You can click on it and extract the file, and when inside the file, it will extract into your system as an open folder. Now, so this one I downloaded is coming with the VM. So, but if you are downloading directly from GitHub that VM, you need to install the requirement. First of all, you need to create a virtual environment, then activate the virtual environment, then install the requirement, then python m.app.ui, the program will run. But let's assume virtual environment is already installed here, so we're going to run the program directly. So for to run the program, you click on this toolbar, then type cmd and enter. So it will open cmd because they're going to run the program from the command prompt. Then you go in and copy. Let's just follow this in. Then you type in vn.activate script.activate. You need to activate a virtual environment. Just copy it and enter. So it will show vn.c, which means you have activated your vn. So then now copy the command prompt to run your Python program here. Python.m.
Welcome to Face Recognition Attendance System.
So now let me just see. You can take attendance. But of course, you can take attendance. Then you can check attendance. You can delete users. You can delete attendance. you can enroll new users, and you can export attendance result in PDF and whatever format you want. But now I'm going to enroll new user. First of all, let me delete the account I've created before. Let me delete this one. So now I've deleted the account. So now I will have to go and enroll. So let me try it. So since I've deleted my account, let me take attendance. Let's see. Which will activate my camera. Unknown ID. So because I'm no longer in the model. So let's enroll now. Let me see, my ID is 534. You can be any ID. You can use any ID. You can use any number as ID. As a student, you have user ID. So let me assume my user ID is 534. I can use 221. I can use anything. So for let's then assume okay, it is even 445. User ID. Then my name is Roger. The sex male. The department. Let me see. I'm studying AI. Then I now click enroll. So now when you click enroll, automatically the system will take 50-60 shots of you. It will take your picture. It will take 60 pictures of you to train the model. So make sure you have a good camera installed on your computer. And I click OK. Now the system is automatically training the model. Now it has trained the model successfully. So this has trained the model successfully. Now let me go and check list of user. Now under the registered user, I'm having my ID 445 Alex Raji, male, department AI model. Now I'm going to take attendance. Now see, me now. Alex Raji, attendance record. Attendance recorded for Alex Raji. Okay. Now let's check attendance. You can see the new attendance I just taken. You see it is here. Alex Raji. So I can go back again. Let's take another attendance again. Send me. Take another attendance again. Press attendance system. Yeah, it's capturing me now. Take another one again. Yeah, it captures me again. So I can export this if I want. Save it, whatever name I want, and it will go to my download folder, and it goes download. Let's go to download. You can see, you can see the record there. Let's zoom it. You can see the attendance report. Let's close it back. So let's go back to our program. Then we can delete attendance. Let's delete this one. You can see I got delete it. Let's delete. I can delete attendance if I want. You can see it's deleting. Let me do it from here. So it's deleting. Then I can also check list of user as I told you before. Then I can also check what else again. I can add it again. I can put that. You can enroll. You can delete user. So that's how the program works. So thank you. If you liked my program, you can drop your comment at the comment section and tell me what I need to add on that as another feature. Thank you.